Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahjanan English Medium School, Nathej at Una. Okay. I am taking SS subject. Today I am taking 6th standard SS. Our half chapter was completed. The lesson number 6, beginning of the shuttle life. Half chapter was completed. Remaining half chapter we will start. Okay. In the half chapter we will be learn about the Gomatu family, those who are the previous 12,000 years ago, and Jumas family, those who are the thousand years ago. Okay, between of these two, the 7,000 years difference are there, but lots of changes are there in between of these two family. Okay, Gormatu families will be only for they are hunting and the eating, they are storing. Okay, but the Jumas family have to be storing, they are living in the one shuttle life, they will be they start living into the hunts, the peoples will be doing the lots of work for the living life, means they are making the pots, they are cattle rearing. And Gomatu family, they are not cattle rearing, they are only one pet dog, one pet animal, that is a dog. But the Jumas family have a lots of cattle, means goat, sheep, cows, etc. are there. Between of these two family have a lots of change. So in this lesson they have to be given the information about the agriculture work will be done start from the Jumas family. So how can in half chapter was completed, now the in the half chapter new paragraph will started information about the earlier फार्मिंग यानी अर्लियर फार्मिंग की इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है. सो दे गिवन द वन क्वेश्चन, डू यू हैव एनी हिस्टोरिकल एविडेंस टू प्रूव दैट द पैरामेटिव मैन वेर द प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट एंड द कैटल्स हर्डिंग. हाउ कैन यू नो they are doing the farming work, because we have a no proof they are doing the farming work. So how can you are say? So in this paragraph given the full detail by the archaeologist. Okay, archaeologists have to be evidence the earlier men will be done by the farming, they are cattle rearing, they are what they are doing for their storing the food, how can they will be doing the farming, everything is proved by the archaeologists, because they have to be coming into the excavations excavated from this proof will become come out of about the ancient peoples. Okay, the archaeologists have found many evidence of the proof that the primitive men were the mostly farming and the cattle rearing. The archaeologists, what the means of archaeologist? Here is a new word is coming from your side, because you are in sixth standard, so this new words is coming from front of you. Archaeologist means those who are knowledge about the history, about the ancient time. Ancient time means पहले के लोगों के बारे में जिन्हें जो चीज़ें बराबर से पता रहती थी, दे हैव टू बी given the information to us by the digging. Okay, by the digging, those who are given the full information to us, that is called the archaeologists. So archaeologists have found, archaeologists will be found the evidence proofs, they have to be ancient time peoples. Okay, mostly of the peoples are doing the farming and the cattle rearing. From the excavation, what the means of the excavation, that is a new word for you. 1 minute. Excavation, what the means of the excavation? Make a hole or a channel by the digging. खोदने के बाद में जो चीज़ें निकलती है, जिससे पता चले कि यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ें थी, कैसे थी, क्या लोग थे, कैसे लोग थे, क्या खाते थे, किस तरह से उनका ग्रेन्स होता था, किस तरह से वो लोग की लाइफ लिविंग लाइफ थी. बाय द डिगिंग दे हैव टू बी गिवन द प्रूफ टू अस, archaeologists given the proof to us. Okay, so after the from the excavation, the archaeologists have the collected specimens of the grains, tools of agriculture, and the bones of the animals. They will be given the proof which type of the grains they will be grow, how can they are using the agriculture tools, and which animal, if the bones animals of the bones are coming, so they can be decided which type of the animals they are the they pet animals from, because if the pet animals are there, maybe possible they are into the shed. Okay, if the archaeologists have to found by the shed this type of the animals are there, they have to be a pets. So they are the cattles also available on that ancient time peoples. Okay, A study of these specimens had the scientists to identify the grains and even various animals by the lab or whatever, because the grains are whatever the grains, it's to be possible is mixed into the soil, because earlier man means lots of years ago, but the evidence into the soil also. So the scientists will be given the proof which type of the grains are using on that time, and which type of the various animals means all the bones are clean. Okay, so we are not founding, we are not decided which animals bones is situated. So the scientists also given the information about the animals. So that's why we can know about the ancient time peoples, okay, how can they are living life on that time. Okay, after the study of the table, give the following, learn the various place where from where thus the evidence were collected. Also located this ancient place onto the on the map. Residues and the most archaeologists into evidence दिए हैं हमें. Okay, proofs. Okay, तो residues and the most ancient places are there. Residues means first wheat, barley, goat, sheep and cows. ये इन्हें सब मिले हैं. ओके बेटा, कौन सी जगह पे? Mahargarh in the present of Pakistan. Okay. Second one, the rice and cows. Magad in Uttar Pradesh, means in our country. Okay. Wheat, dog, calves, buffaloes, goat and sheep are the given the evidence in the Kashmir, Gurjom. Okay. Wheat, gram, barley, buffalo and ox are the चिरेड in the बिहार. ये सब जो खोदने के बाद में पता चल रहा है कौन कौन सी जगह पे कौन से एनिमल्स से, कौन से वीट से, कौन सी टाइप ऑफ ग्रेन्स से, ये सब प्लेसों पे से पता चलता जाता है. ओके बेटा. जुहार, बाजरी, काउ, शिप एंड गॉट्स, Luhar in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Here is given the one Maharganj in the present in the Pakistan. In the next paragraph, they given the detail of this. Okay. Case of study of Maharganj in the ancient time. But our ancient history also about it's coming into the next semester. Our history, ancient history also very good. That is a too much interesting lesson about the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Our ancient history is situated into Gujarat to Pakistan. So that is too much interesting lesson, but it was coming to the next part. Here is given the मगध इन द एंशियंट प्लेस. एक झूनी पुराने टाइम की एक प्लेस निकली है जिसमें कुछ एविडेंस है जिससे पता चलता है फ्रॉम दैट पीपल्स हाउ कैन दे आर लिविंग द लाइफ, बट दैट इज़ अ प्रेजेंट इन टू द पाकिस्तान. Our in the Indian history also lots of places are there. That is the ancient time the peoples are living life whole. It's a coming into the another lessons. Okay, beta. So Magadha is a very ancient place from where the earliest evidence of the cattle rearing and the farming of the wheat and barley has been found. Okay, and what timing the wheat and barley are using from the farming. Archaeologists have to the unearthed the bones of the animals from this site, because whenever they have to be digging, the lots of animals bones are coming of these sites. Bones of the goats, sheep and the cows have been the excavated from the proof that these animals were the ran on those days. That is a place of Maharganj. Okay, but the evidence of the houses of the Maharganj, उनके घर किस तरह से थे, that is a given the evidence. Okay. So the archaeologists have to be find lots of animals also on that time they have, because the proof about the bones, which type of the animals, goat, sheep. Magda is an old place of the ancient India. It a present in it is in the Pakistan now. It's a part of our India, but the divided of the India and Pakistan. So now it is a present in the Pakistan. Okay, it is a belief that the growing of the crops like a wheat and the barley, rare of the sheep of the gods might have started from the first time he there. They will be started first time of the rearing of the pet animals. Okay, the archaeologists have found out the bones. That means that is a too much ancient history. Okay, beta, because they will be started from the cattle rearing on that place. Yeah, okay. So archaeologists have to be find the evidence about the animals. So the Ships and the gods come and found in the large quantity. They have a too much quantity of their bones are coming in on from that place. The remnant of the houses are found from the Mahargan. They will be a four or the more rooms of each house. From the graves, find the Magda some other things along with the dead bodies are also found. In one grave, bones of the gods burning along with the dead persons are found. Okay, so that is a too much old ancient history from our Indian culture. Beginning of the uh, agriculture farming. Okay, beginning of the agriculture. कैसे agriculture start हुआ from the farming. You must have to be learned by the known as the primitive man wondered about the search of the stable food from here and there. They will be going for the food. They are searching with the pass of the time. जैसे जैसे time pass हुआ, they will be learn about the food and edible, which are the edible and which are not too edible, which root is a good for our health and which are not good for our health. That is why they have to be growing in the one place, and they will be have a thought idea must be encourage him into the become a farming. From there they have to be encouraged of themselves, we will be started the farming. So the farming will started. Okay beta, beginning of the shutter life, when they have to be start the farming, so they will be think here the crops are will be there, so we will be going into the another place. How can it's too much far, and every day we will be a coming for agriculture, it's not good. So they will be a start the making in the one place. They will be start the living life or living life that life. Okay beta, हाउ कैन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द शेटर लाइफ, एग्रीकल्चर करने की वजह से उन लोगों ने अपना एक ठिकाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ओके बेटा, दैट इज द शेटर लाइफ. द लेसन इज बेस्ड ऑन टू द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द शेटर लाइफ. एग्रीकल्चर वर्क करने की वजह से, कैटल राइडिंग करने की वजह से, उनके एनिमल्स को एक प्लेस पे रखने की वजह से, ये सब थिंकिंग करने की वजह से दे विल बी स्टार्टेड द शेटर लाइफ. द शेटर लाइफ बिगेन with a man sitting down at a place and not wandering any longer. Man adapted agriculture as soon as his occupation and the tame animals from his domestic need. वो एक प्लेस पर रहना स्टार्ट कर दिया उन लोगों ने. क्यों? बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट टू बी डू एग्रीकल्चर वर्क. सो द फर्स्ट टाइम एनिमल वॉज अ डॉग. आई वॉज टोल्ड टू इन द गोमतू ऑल्सो हैव अ वन डॉग. that is a pet. First pet animal is a proved by the dog is there. Okay, later on the man started rearing sheep and the goat and the subsequently cows. The first crop cultivated by the man were the wheat and the barley. सबसे पहला जो cultivate जो agriculture they will be doing, that is the wheat and barley. It all started nearby 12,000 years ago. That means the Gomatu time also it was started. Okay, uh, why the dog is a first time animal. Okay, we have to say why the dog is a first time animal. How can we will be proof? Because I was given in the Gomatu time the dog is a pet animal, so I will given the one a good answer about that question. Dog is an animal which a guard the house. Okay, first of all the god is dog is a guard our house. The man going into the house for the hunting in the search of the food might have felt to need to the dog guards, because if they are going from their house to another place for the searching of the food, the dog is a guard in their house also, and dog help us to hunting also. So the miting of the dog is a first time animal. That means they will be started first the dog, because the dog is a too much helping for the man in the ancient time. A new lifestyle, how can their life will be started, how can our new life will be a cultivation in our life. New life, man was a wandering in the early stage of the civilization. Okay, subsequently this he started leading a shuttle life by the engaging in the agriculture and the rearing time. They will be a stay in the one place, and they have to be a engage themselves about the agriculture and the rearing of the animals. Once he saw the sheets, he learned that he had to be water it, and it would be a taken time of the growing to the crops. So they want to be they can understood they want to be a crops, for they want to need a water. That is they want make a shelter life, and they will be a nearby the rivers. Thus they settled down onto the one place and they built a house to live in. He also learned that the once the grains reached, it had to be collected and the preserved. They can understood if the crops are ready, so we will be collected and preserve also for the whole year. This led him to the make big clay pots to the store the grains. Store करने के लिए they want to making a big pot because they can understood if we have to be a cut the crops, we will be a preserve also for the whole year. If you want to preserve of the whole year, well we have to be safe of it, so they're making the pots. Now make the list of the baked food that we eat. For which type of the baked food we will eat? Toast, butter. Baked food means roasted किया हुआ. Okay means बेकरी के थ्रू यानी सेका हुआ. ओके बेक फूड. ओके तो विच टाइप ऑफ द सो बटर टोस्ट केक pizza, that is also a big food. Okay, lots of foods are there, you will be right on there. The beginning of the shattered life. How can the shattered life will be a beginning? The archaeologists have to be excavation site where men live in the farm. They are that they stay in house, cook food and the rare animals. The archaeologists have to be found. The old men will be ancient time peoples will be living in the house and they cook the food also and they rearing the animals. All kind of the tools have also been excavated. खोदने खोदने पे digging करने पे there will become lots of tools also coming out of okay. Some sharp stones tools have been found. Stones mortars to powder and the crush grains and the plants have to be also excavation. Whenever they have to be a digging, some tools are coming and that is a given the proof the farming also doing there, and this type of the tools they are using for the shattered life also. Okay. While some tools will be made of the stones, some tools are making from the stones and some are the bones of the animals. Many clay pots will be used to the storing grains which were the found from the excavation sites. खोदने पे कितनी जगह पे ऐसे पॉट्स भी निकले हैं जो बताते हैं कि ये लोग अनाज को स्टोर करते थे. ओके. Wheat and the rice had become part of their food. Thus man had transformed from the beginning of the hunting gather to the farming herder who knew lead a shattered life. यही एग्रीकल्चर वर्क ही करने की वजह से दे विल बी अ थिंकिंग वी वांट टू स्टे इन वन प्लेस एंड वी विल बी स्टार्ट द shattered life. Tools and visuals. Tools and visuals are it's a coming from the excavation means a digging from the sites, and these are coming from this type of the tools and pots. These pots they have to store the foods. Okay beta. So these are big and huge pots are there they are using for the storing the food, and this is making the food. That's why they from this evidence we will be a no they will be a store the food and they cook the food also. Okay beta. This is a sorry, this is a saw for the cutting, this is a hammer type of the nails. So that is all evidence will be a proof they will be doing the farming work on that time. Now मेक द लिस्ट ऑफ द क्रॉप्स ग्रो. किस टाइप की क्रॉप्स वो लोग ग्रो करते थे, तभी भी होती थी और आज भी होती है. ओके बेटा. Make the list of the crops. The following type of the crops are growing today and even the divided onto the category part of the previous months also. That means the crushing crops. ऐसे क्रॉप्स जो कोई चीज़ बनाते हैं या कोई और काम में आते हैं जैसे कॉटन, शुगर केन, जूट, टबैको एक्सेट्रा. Food grains we will be consuming in our food. Paddy, wheat, jowar, millet, maize etc. will be using for the grains. Okay. Pulses we will using the pulses. Which type of the pulses means gram, mug, udad, toot, lentil and the different type of the beans we are using for the making. अब साग पकाने के लिए जो हम वेजिटेबल pulses यूज़ करते हैं. ओके. Oil sheets they are growing, that time also they are growing and now also we are growing the, that means the oil sheet means grown nut from जहाँ से oil जो sheet से oil निकलता है. ground nut है, custard nut, sesame, mustard, soya bean, sunflower, cotton sheets, rape sheets, lean sheets, that is using into the oil sheets. Okay beta. Orchard crops means orchard crops we are using means tea, coffee, rubber, flowers, vegetables, etc. or were the orchard seeds. So these type of the 5 type of the crops are will be are doing means the cashew crops, food grains, pulses, oil seeds, and the orchard crops are there. Now classify the crops growing in according to the season. We have to be this type of the mix. If we have to be say cotton, so cotton is to the 8 month means from summer sorry monsoon to winter the crops are there. Now if we have to be a groundnut is into the summer season, so wheat is into the winter season. So we want to be a classify some seasons, some crops are the different seasons are there. Make the list of the NFI development industry today. Which type of the industry? Because industry also a one part of the एग्रीकल्चर. अगर कॉटन एग्रीकल्चर में अगर कॉटन नहीं होगा बेटा, सो हाउ कैन दे मेक अ ट्रेड? इफ दे आर नॉट मेक द ट्रेड, हाउ कैन दे मेक द क्लोथ्स? सो इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो dependent on to the agriculture also. Means first was the cotton sheets, okay, jute sheet, steel and iron, sugar industry, cement industry, chemical industry, electronic industry. These type of lots of industries are situated now. But the if the cotton textile industry means the clothes are making, so if the cotton plant is not available, how can they will be making the thread? If the thread is not making, how can making the clothes? So it's too much necessary. Now jute industry will too much necessary for गून बोलते हैं ना, गून पट बोलते हैं हम, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड जूट. उससे रस्सी भी बनती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनती हैं. तो अभी तो शुगर इंडस्ट्री, वी आर आस्किंग अबाउट द शुगर इंडस्ट्री. अगर शुगर केन नहीं होगा तो शुगर इंडस्ट्री कैसे बनेगी? अगर शुगर नहीं होगा तो जिंजर इंडस्ट्री कैसे, जैगरी इंडस्ट्री कैसे बनेगी? सो लॉट्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन टू द एग्रीकल्चर वर्क ऑल्सो. So beta, this lesson will be a complete. Now you can understood now. So from agriculture they will be start the shuttle life, okay, and that is all things have to be approved by the archaeologist, because they have to be excavation place. They removing from digging, and they can given the all proof the previous man will be started the farming and the cattle rearing. So this from this the shuttle life will be started from human life. Understood beta? So this chapter will was be this chapter is over. Now in the next lecture we will come from the exercise. Okay beta? Now be stay at your home, be happy and enjoy your life, and do the study also.